Welcome you all to Love Literature. This is a lecture series on project writing tips. In this video series, this is part 4. Project writing tips. 5 important steps to be followed for writing a project report for MA English Literature. Selection of the topic. Collection of primary and secondary sources. Reading and writing. Typing. Binding the dissertation and submission. In this video, we are going to see the first step, selection of the topic. In this video, we are going to see the first step, selection of the topic. As per the saying, a good beginning is half done. The first step is very important. Yes, number 1, selection of the topic. Here, don't confuse title of the project with topic. Topic is your broad area of interest. First, select an area you genuinely familiar, such as post-colonial literature, feminist literature, modernism, comparative literature, Shakespearean studies, or Indian writing in English. Number 2, pick an author, theme, genre you can read deeply and that is of much interest to you. Number 3, narrow it down to a researchable topic. Define your topic to make it focused, original, and manageable. If your broad area of research is feminism, you can narrow it down to the tentative title, Feminist Resistance in the Novels of Margaret Atwood. If your broad area of research is post-colonial literature, you can narrow it down to the tentative title, Identity and Hybridity in Jhumpa Lahiri's short stories. Yes, you heard it right. I said tentative title. You start working with the tentative title and later on you may refine the title. You can also get the help of AI tools to give an original and interesting title. Writing a title for an English major project is a bit of a balancing act. Here is a guide to the essential do's and don'ts for crafting a standout academic title. Use the colon rule. This is a gold standard for humanities papers. It allows you to be creative while maintaining academic rigor. Example, the Mad Woman's Shadow, Gothic doubling, and female agency in Jan Eyre. Use catchy or evocative phrase. Name the text and the author. Never leave your reader guessing. A good title should identify the primary source and the author you are discussing. Specify your theoretical framework. If you are using a specific lens, Marxist, feminist, post-colonial, etc., try to hint it at in the title. This helps your professor or peers understand your angle immediately. Example, Green Despair, an eco-critical reading of D.S. Eliot's The Waste Land. Use carefully and sparingly the articles, linkers, and prepositions, and they should be in small letters. Follow the formatting rules. In English literature, titles of other works within your title must be formatted correctly. Italicize book titles, plays, and long poems like Paradise Lost. Use quotation marks for short stories and short poems. The best title comes to you after you have finished the project. It is easier to summarize your argument once you have actually written it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, follow and subscribe Love Literature for more videos.